In this video, we're going to show two things. Firstly, the existing capability that QinetiQ possesses as a group to support the air operational training task. And then secondly, we'll be covering how that can develop in the future to support the warfighter and their changing operational requirements. QinetiQ currently supports live air operational training in a number of ways. Firstly, we have a capability under the Vampire project for the Royal Navy, utilising Banshee jet-powered uncrewed vehicles as a deployable threat representation capability. Secondly, QinetiQ operates ETPS from MOD Boscombe Down. This 80-year heritage flight test institution offers an unrivaled and high-tech capability to train modern flight test professionals, both for the civilian and military sectors. QinetiQ have over a decade of experience operating the MOD DSOL contract, Distributed Synthetic Air-Land Training Capability. This federated system offered a virtual environment for the pre-deployment training of UK forces. Additionally, QinetiQ Germany operates a large fleet of aircraft providing aerial training services, threat representation and JTAC training support to the German defence. In Australia, QinetiQ operates a large fleet of aircraft delivering threat representation and target facilities on behalf of Australian defence. QinetiQ Target Systems are a global provider of uncrewed vehicles in support of military training requirements. In the air domain, these platforms can be used to simulate a variety of aircraft across an ever-evolving threat landscape. Additionally, in the virtual domain, QinetiQ Sim build and operate a variety of immersive, high-fidelity, commercial off-the-shelf simulators for operational training on rotary platforms. We have significant experience of building and operating a collective training exercise control facility in support of an MOD large flying exercise. Inspire support air operational training in a number of ways. Firstly, they deliver detailed academic and operational training courses. And secondly, they offer white force services, building, delivering and debriefing large flying exercises. We've so far explored the existing capabilities that QinetiQ offers to support air operational training. However, these assets could also be utilised in different ways and leveraged to provide new training opportunities. For example, at Boscombe Down, QinetiQ operates a sizable fleet of aircraft, both fixed-wing and rotary. These aircraft currently undertake a variety of test and evaluation tasks on behalf of the UK MOD, but they could also be leveraged and turned into training assets, providing niche target capabilities and specific requirements for the warfighter. Similarly, when looking at existing capabilities which could be leveraged differently to create new opportunities, QinetiQ operate the CATS contract on behalf of the UK MOD. The Combined Aerial Target Service contract has a number of uncrewed vehicles which fly in the UK air test ranges. These platforms currently perform predominantly test and evaluation tasks, but they could be utilised as threat representation platforms simulating modern aircraft. Linked to this, QinetiQ are exploring ways of making these CATS uncrewed vehicle capabilities more useful as threat systems. The addition of new capabilities, such as electronic warfare payloads, will add to their realism and make them more useful for the warfighter to train against. In Germany, QinetiQ has a modern maritime patrol aircraft, or MPA, capability. These aircraft are utilised providing maritime patrol services, but could also be used as red threat aircraft in live flying exercises, simulating opponent maritime patrol aircraft. We've seen the sheer breadth of QinetiQ's existing air operational training capability, and we've touched on how this might develop to support the ever-changing requirements of the warfighter, and we look forward to working with our partners to achieve this.